get more than married, you might get pregnant.
What y'all thinking? I think I'm... We're finna go to clean and get our hair done for New Year's Eve. Y'all, it's raining, cats and dogs outside, and it's cold. But it's okay, we still gotta make it. It's gonna be about an hour drive, but we got it. We gotta look good for New Year's Eve. So I'll take y'all along with me and let y'all know everything I do to prepare for New Year's Eve, because I still gotta make a whole outfit. It is really losing its mind out here. Like, I really hate driving in rain. So y'all pray with me. Lord, let us make it to and from our destination safely without any hurt, harm, or danger. Lord, help us to have a great day today, a productive day, money-making day. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Okay, I pulled up early. I am tired. I don't know why I'm so tired. Maybe I got 3 hours of sleep. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I wish it was like an eyelash appointment or somewhere you can just go to sleep. But I'm pretty sure you can't go to sleep and hold your head up at the same time. Plus, I'm tender-headed, so we're gonna see how this is gonna go. I know my girl's gonna get me right. Let me show y'all where I'm at. I'm out in clean. I am at Yazzie Way Hair Studio. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yes, sis. Zoom in, girl. Okay, y'all, so this is where I'm at. I am actually 30 minutes early. I can't even believe it. It's 8. Well, it's 9 o'clock on the dot. I'm not supposed to be here until 9:30, but if you're late 5 minutes, you're in trouble. So I decided to be early for once in my life. So I'll wait until she gets here, or I'll go out somewhere over here to try and find something to eat. And then hopefully I can vlog some while I'm in there, so I can take y'all in here with me and y'all can see bits and pieces of it. But that just depends on my girl, and if she wants me to record. If not, that's cool too. I'll just show y'all one like that. Okay, y'all, I told y'all I was gonna try and get y'all in here, girl. VIP.
Period.
My girl let y'all come in here, y'all. So
Period.
We getting slayed for New Year's. Like, when I say my girl is hooking me up, I'm not gonna lie.
Get that lace down.
Dog.
Where?
Hold up.
Where is it?
Wait a minute. I think I'm gonna get married this weekend. What you think?
Bitch, you gonna get more than married, you might get pregnant.
What y'all thinking? I think I'm getting married this weekend. Y'all, my girl is really slaying, and y'all really sleep, because I can't wait out to Colleen. I ain't gonna tell y'all I'm hiding my person, because y'all know I'm a tagger, girl. Because y'all, listen, y'all, my preference. Y'all know I'm gonna put her down below. Y'all know it. So wait till we get done. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. I wish we would have brought you out earlier, but listen, we was in here politicking about business. So I got y'all right when we get done. I'll show y'all the finished product. Yeah, I'm just practicing for tonight. This side.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Now live you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make.
Respectful. Check out. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's up there, sis. Happy New Year's to me, y'all. It's up there. I'm telling y'all, it's the Yazzie way. Stitched by Yazzie. And Colleen, dope girl. She was super dope. Very, very, very good person. Like, customer service was on point. Everything, conversation was on point. The whole shop is lit. I'm so impressed. Like, I'm literally impressed, and I'm so happy, and I'm so proud of her. Like, she got her own shop, big boss stuff. Like, it's up. It's up. It's black on right now. You hear me? It's up though. And guess what they say? When it's up there, stay there. Like, go girl. I hope she see this, because girl, you did your thing. Okay, I had to stop by and see my friend, because he be like really, really, really missing and stuff. And he know he like my bestie, but he just can't get right. But friend, ain't no wrong with me, friend.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, yeah, that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Like, la 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 la.
Feel it, baby, stress is all around us. These high ceilings and I need it, baby. Pressure it make diamonds, I won't steal it, baby. Silent, baby, hurts to see you crying. Know you trying, ain't no lying, baby. When I say I need you, greedy if I have to share you. It was me that all along did you wrong, thinking that I made you beautiful and strong. This toxicity, the death of me, I fear the day you gone. The most beautiful girl I've ever known.
I'll find a